Do you trade options and need help growing your account? Are you trying to generate consistent monthly income? If you said yes, then look no further. No matter your trading account size, OptionsTradingSignals.com will teach you how to find winning option plays, execute trades, and profit from the passage of time known as theta. Visit www.OptionsTradingSignals.com today.
This is your Trader Tip of the Week. I'm Brian Benson with this week's tip. I'm having a look at Google shares, which Google has recently completed their 20-for-1 stock split. That makes the options and the shares much more accessible than they had been. Looking at the chart, I see the shares trading in a pretty well-defined channel with a little bit of an upward bias to it. So while I am a bit bullish on the shares longer term, I want to set up a trade structure that can tolerate some up and down movement in the stock and not necessarily rely on the shares having to go up substantially in price to make a profit on the trade. So I could do a covered call on this where I buy shares and then sell a call premium against those shares. But even better than that, and a better reduction of my overall risk in the trade, I think would be a call diagonal spread where I use a longer dated in-the-money call as a proxy substitute for owning the shares of the stock. So as an example, I'm looking at going out to January and purchasing probably the $95 strike in the money, and then against that I could turn around and sell call premium and have a short leg on that spread, perhaps at one of the September strikes. 115 is one I'm looking at, so that would give me a $20 wide diagonal spread. My risk in the trade overall will be the $20 width of the spread minus whatever call premiums I collect. So I will get that initial premium for selling the 115 call in September, and then I will have subsequent premiums where I can roll that trade forward and collect additional premiums for selling further out in time. So as an option premium seller, having that theta time decay work in my favor is really the goal here, and also have a trade which can tolerate some movement in the stock. Up would be nice, sideways is okay, but this particular trade structure could even tolerate some downward movement in the stock and still have a decent probability of having a profit overall on the trade. So I am Brian Benson. I'm with OptionsTradingSignals.com. This has been your Trader Tip of the Week.